Welcome back to View Atlanta Properties. I'm Angelo Merville, your Atlanta area realtor, and today we're in Conyers, Georgia at Abbotts Crossing by DRB Homes. Today we'll be touring the Luca floor plan at Abbotts Crossing. What strikes you first is the clean, modern exterior and the fact that you're in a community which offers both convenience and style. Abbotts Crossing is about 1.5 miles from I-20, making your commute or travel into Atlanta very accessible. This neighborhood also features resort-style amenities and a strong lifestyle appeal with a pool, cabana, and that modern twin of comfort and convenience. Are you looking to buy a home? Well, download your home buyer guide using the link in the description. I'll show you from start to finish how to purchase a home here in the Atlanta metro market. I'll make sure that you're confident and comfortable with the entire process. And if you would like me as your realtor, book your discovery call today. As you enter this home, you'll immediately notice the open concept layout and how the living space flows. The family room, dining area, and kitchen are connected in a way that invites both everyday living and entertaining. In the kitchen, you've got a large island that looks over the dining and living spaces. Plenty of counter space, and the layout keeps you connected no matter what's happening. On this level, you'll also find a convenient half bath tucked away for guests. Everything is designed with purpose and function in mind. Hey, if you love this home tour and would like videos just like this, shoot me a text. I'll show you how we make more money and sell homes in a shorter amount of time than many agents in our market. It all boils down to our marketing plan and videography. I would love to interview for the position and showcase your property. Back to the video. Heading upstairs now, one of the standout features of the Luca plan is this loft. This flexible space can serve as a second living room, home office, kids hangout, you name it. Additionally, you'll find 2 more bedrooms upstairs and the convenience of upper level laundry, which means no more hauling laundry up and down stairs. Then we come to the primary suite. Spacious, comfortable, with a walk-in closet and an ensuite bath designed for relaxation. That dual vanity, separate shower, and overall sense of retreat make a big difference. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking to relocate to the Atlanta metro area, give me a call or text me. I can't wait to become your lifetime realtor.